Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to rearrange your home screen in HONOR Magic5 Lite. So, if you want to open the home screen, just hold the finger on the, swipe the finger to the center, and now we are in the home screen settings. We can start from the wallpaper. Just select on anyone, adjust the settings to your needs, and click on the accent icon. Choose the place for it, and now we have a new wallpaper. Simple. Okay, the next one, cards. It's like a widgets. Just choose the widget for you, like a contacts, notepad, any other. And hold the finger. Choose the place on the home screen for that. And that's it. Now we have a new widget. If you want to remove that, hold the finger on it and choose remove. The next one, tries to show this effect when you're swiping the pages. You can see there you have a preview. So pick your favorite one and just tap on the home screen. Okay, now we can go to the home screen settings and you can see there you have a layout, and if you want to change the amount of the application in the rows and in the columns, just adjust it to your needs. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.